Here's how you can connect your hosting or domain to your lovable.dev website. So first you want to open up your project on the Lovable dashboard and then go to the top left on the menu icon here and then click on where it says project settings. Then on the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says domains. And then we want to click on where it says add a domain you own. From here, we want to click on where it says continue. And then we want to paste in our domain name. So I'm going to head over to the hosting or dashboard and then just copy our domain name that we have and paste it in. And then click on where it says continue. Then it's going to begin analyzing your domain. It's going to detect what provider it's using, which in our case is Hostinger. And now we're going to need to log into our Hostinger account. So you're going to need to enter in your email and your password of your Hostinger account. If you used a social login for your Hostinger account, you're going to need to actually add in the records manually. So again, if you don't have an email and password, you want to click on where it says go to our manual setup. And then you're going to need to add in these records into your DNS settings. So to do that, you need to go to the Hostinger dashboard. And then under the domains section, you want to select your domain and click on where it says manage. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on where it says DNS/name servers. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete these current A records that we have. So I'm just going to click on delete. And I'm also going to delete this extra record I have. You may not have that. And then I'm going to go ahead and under the manage DNS records section, I'm going to select type A for the record. For the name, I'm going to enter in www. And then for the required value, I'm going to select this first IP address at the top here and enter it here. Then click on add record. And it wants us to add another A type record, and this time with an @ symbol. So we're just going to add the @ symbol under the name section. And then we're going to have this point to this second IP address here and paste that in. And then I'm going to click on where it says add record. Then I'm going to click on where it says confirm. Then I'm going to click on where it says I have added 2 out of 2 records to my domains provider. It'll say that you're all set, and we can go ahead and click on where it says done. Now we can see that domain listed right here, and we can see this little white indicator indicating that it is still connecting. So just give it up to 48 hours and it should be good to go. So that is how you can connect your hosting or domain to your lovable.dev website. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.